Hello everybody, I'm Anthony McGrath, originally from Derry and living here in London at the minute. I've been doing things with the Irish Centre here since 2017. I kind of look after our elders singing group, which is a really lovely thing to do. They're a really nice bunch of people, and do a few other things around here too. And I want to wish everybody a very happy St. Patrick's Day. And I've been asked to do a few songs and maybe a tune too for St. Patrick's Day. And when I was young, St. Patrick's Day was, we always went to my grandmother's house because St. Patrick's Day was her birthday. And she's originally from Donegal. And I'm going to sing a wee song about Donegal. And hopefully we can get back over there soon. But anyway. I've just popped in to see you all. I'll only stay a while. I wanna see how you're getting on. I want to see you smile. Happy to be back again to see you's one and all. For there's no place else on earth just like the homes of Donegal. I've longed to see your smiling faces standing by the door, the kettle boiling on the hearth as I walk along the floor, and then to see a welcome free for travellers one and all. For your hearts are like your mountains and the homes of Donegal. I'd love to spend some time with you and while away the night with fairy lore and tales of yore around the turf fire bright, and then to see a welcome free for travellers one and all. For there's rest for weary travellers in the homes of Donegal. The time has come for me to go and bid you all adieu. The open highway calls me back to do the things I do. And when I'm travelling far away, your friendship I'll recall. And please God, I'll soon return again to the homes of Donegal. Please God, I'll soon return again to the homes of Donegal. This next wee song is called Patrick's Arrival, which I learned from some album of Christy Moore over the years, and it normally gets sung once a year on St. Patrick's Day, and it's a funny wee song. It tells the truth about St. Patrick's Day. This may or may not be true. Anyway, I'll give it a go. Well, you've heard of St. Denis of France. He never had much for to brag, and you've heard of St. George and his lance, who slain the old heathenish dragon. The saints of the Welshman and Scot are a couple of pitiful pipers that might just as well go to pot when compared to the patron of vipers, St. Patrick of Ireland, me dear. Well, he sailed to the Emerald Isle on a lump of a paving stone mount that he beat the steamboat by a mile.
when mighty fine sailing was counted. Says Pat, the salt water, I think it's made me unmercifully thirsty, so bring me a flagon to drink, to wash down the mully grubs, burst ye of drink that is fit for a saint. Well, he preached then with wonderful force to the ignorant natives, a teaching with pints he washed down each discourse. Says he, I detest your dry preaching. The people in wonderment struck that a pastor so pious and civil exclaimed, wherefore ye me out buck, and we'll heave our dry gods to the devil who dwells in hot water below. Well, thus finished, our worshipful man went to visit the most elegant fellow, whose practice each cool afternoon was to get most delightfully mellow. That day with a barrel of beer he was drinking away with abandon. Says Pat, sure it's great to be here, I drank nothing to speak of since landing, so give me a pull from your pot. Now he lifted the pewter in sport, believe me, I tell you it's no fable, a gallon he drank from the quart, and he sat it back full on the table. A miracle, everyone cried. They all took a pull on the stingo, they were mighty good hands at that trade, and they drank till they fell, yet by jingo, the pot still frothed o'er the brim. Now you've heard, I suppose, long ago, how the snakes in a manner most antic, he marched to the County Mayo, and he ordered them all into the Atlantic. Hence never use water to drink, for the people of Ireland determine with mighty good reason, I think, for Patrick has felt it with vermin and snakes and such other things. Now he was as fine a man as you'd meet from Fairhead to Kilcrumper, yet under the sod he is laid. Let's all drink his health in a bumper. I wish he was here that my glass he might by art magic replenish, but since he is not, why alas, my old song it must come to a finish, 'cause all of the liquor is gone. Well, that was a wee funny song for Patrick's Day. Well, we're going to bring along a good friend of mine for doing another thing that we like to do on St. Patrick's Day, which would be playing some proper traditional Irish music. So I'm very lucky to have a great friend of mine, Mr. Eamon Burke from West Clare, stroke Hornsey. And he's going to play us a reel. He's going to play us a reel on the flute, Mr. Eamon Burke. The bag of spats.
very much. I hope you're all having a happy and safe St. Patrick's Day, and hopefully before next year, or by next year, we can do it all in person again. So I want to thank everybody from the Irish. I want to thank Mr. Burke here, our William, and everyone else who's involved with the Centre for the great work that they're still doing. And happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody, and thanks very much.